Dear viewers, thank you everybody. I'd like to congratulate you to watch my video. Please watch my video through my Facebook page, Momin Digital English Home, and also the YouTube channel in the same name, Momin Digital English Home. Today, I am going to deliver you a brief lecture or note on the future perfect continuous tense. Dear viewers, you know what is an future perfect continuous tense? The future perfect continuous tense means the action will start before. What time before? The action will start before any action that has been going on. That means the action will start before in the future, and it will have been continuing for a definite or indefinite period of time. So, dear viewers, you have to make a clear understanding about this tense. The action will start before, that means in the future, the action will have been continuing, but it will start before that time. Before that time, that means the action will have been continuing, but it has a point of time when the action will start. So, dear viewers, and after that it will have been continuing, the action will have been continuing for a definite or indefinite period of time. You can ask me a questions that how long will it have been going on. So if I ask you, or if you ask me a questions, how long will it have been going on? So the answer is that the action will have been going on for a specific period of time or some indefinite period of time. So I can give you an example here. Please take a look at Samira will have been doing the sum for an hour. Dear viewers, you see for an hour, this is an indefinite period of time. So the action will have been continuing in the future for an hour. Suppose it is 7 p.m. in Bangladesh now, and I am speaking at this moment. So at this moment, what I am speaking about is called the present continuous tense. But after my speaking, the action which will start is meant to say future tense. So if the future tense or future time goes on and on, that means the time keep going forwarding, or the action will have been continuing. So this is called the future perfect continuous tense, and the action will have been completed at a point of time. So there is 2 point of future perfect continuous tense. The action will start before and it will have been continuing for a long time, and at a specific point of time or at any second of the future time it will also be completed. So dear viewers, from this sense you can try to understand that Samira will have been doing the sum for an hour. That means the doing of the sum will start at any second of the future and it will have been continuing for an hour. So dear viewers, I think you have a general idea about this and how you can make the sentence of the tense. You just take a subject that may be any third person singular number will have been, and only first person singular and plural number, that means after I or we will put shall have been, and in every sentence there will have been a verb in the ing form, that is V1 plus ing. So Samia will have been, this is third person singular number, this is third person singular number, you see, and after this it has been written will have been, and doing is the ing form, that means the new form of the verb that has been made of adding ing with the V1 of do verb doing. So this sum for an hour, Samira will have been doing the sum for an hour. This is the formation, this is the example of the formation of this tense. Now we can also use future indefinite or present indefinite with this tense. Dear viewers, how can we use? Please take a look at the screen. I am writing a sentence. Mr. Peter will come home. Mr. Peter will come home when his wife will have been cooking dinner. Dear viewers or learners, please take a look at, you see, Mr. Peter will come home. This is the future indefinite tense, when his wife will have been cooking dinner. So this is a period of action. His wife will have been cooking dinner. This is some implied period of time has been used here. You see, when his wife will have been cooking dinner. So this will take a long time. But Mr. Peter will come home within the action going on. So dear viewers, you see, Mr. Peter will come home at a point of time. So dear viewers, I think you have had a general idea about this tense, and hope you will be pleased to watch my video next. Till then, wish you best of luck. Thank you everybody.